Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay, and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful cosmetic e-commerce website template, fully responsive and totally free. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So wait, first, let me show you the quick look. See the beautiful cosmetic e-commerce template. Now I will show you the each section. The top bar, see guys, the mini cart and the main navigation, search bar, and the beautiful slider. And see for products, new products, and best sellers inside tabbing. Load more product trends. Also the coupon section and the beautiful footer. And guys, also like I said, the template is fully responsive. Let me show you. Will work for all the devices. See friends. And guys, I must say few things. If you will have any kind of queries, yes, no requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, friends, you will contact me via my blog. Here is my blog, therichpost.com. Here is contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID and my WhatsApp number as well. And guys, also, I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your work as well. Also, on my blog, you will get multiple free dashboards as well, e-commerce template, Angular stuff, React.js, Vue.js, Laravel, WordPress, and Bootstrap 5, multiple things like e-commerce template, admin dashboard templates as well. So guys, this is it. And like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.